My name is John Koenig. I'm a board-certified hypnotist and certified instructor with the National Guild of Hypnotists, practicing in Rhode Island. And I'm honored to be a presenter at this year's NGH Virtual Convention. My topic for a 1-hour seminar is the possibilities process, how to use strategic open-ended questions as post-hypnotic suggestions. For much of my career, I was an ad guy, a madman, selling things like cake mix, tobacco products on television. And I've adapted these techniques with other techniques into a structure of persuasion that works all by itself. But when you add a hypnotic induction to it and add a roughly 3-minute segment to your work with the client, you can magnify your results. I've been finding that for years. People that I've trained in this technique are finding that as well. So I invite you to join me. And I'm going to end with a question. And the question is, what if it turns out that this virtual convention is the best you've ever been to? What if, as a result of this convention, you have a breakthrough in an area in your practice or in your life itself? Just a question to consider. It does contain an embedded suggestion, you may have noticed, but it's just a question. So, see you in August.